Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt view in Asana. This visual timeline layout makes it easy to map out project schedules, spot dependencies between tasks, and adjust your timeline on the fly. First, open Asana and navigate to the project you want to schedule with Gantt view. Make sure you're viewing the specific project where you need to visualize your timeline, as each project can have its own customized views. Once you're in your project, look at the tab bar near the top of the screen. You'll see a plus icon next to your existing views like list or board. Click that plus icon to add a new view to your project. This is where you'll access all the different ways you can organize and display your work. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Gantt. This opens up the timeline-based view that lets you see your tasks laid out across a calendar. Now, here's an important step. When the project dependency settings prompt appears, you'll need to choose how Asana handles the timing between linked tasks. Under dependency date shifting, you'll see several options. Click Maintain Buffer if you want to preserve any extra time built in between dependent tasks. For most users, selecting for all dependent tasks works best as it applies your choice across the entire project. If you'd rather tighten things up, click Consume Buffer to reduce that extra time unless there's a scheduling conflict, or choose None to ignore buffer time completely, even when conflicts exist. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes to apply these settings. Now you can start creating task dependencies. Hover your cursor over the end of any taskbar in the Gantt view. You'll see a small handle appear. Click and drag that dependency handle from one task to another task to link them. This tells Asana that one task depends on another being completed first. Finally, use the scroll and zoom controls to view different time periods across your project timeline. You can click and drag taskbars to change their duration or shift them to different dates. Adjust dependencies as your project evolves by dragging those handles between different tasks, and that's it. You've set up Gantt view in Asana and can now visually manage your project timeline with full control over task dependencies. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.